Hello class first, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Children, in this video we will start with new lesson, that is lesson 3, My World. Okay children? Now children, pick out your EVS book. Now children, open your EVS book at page number 20. A family. People living together in a house make a family. The people in a family are known as family members. Next is the different types of families. Families can be big or small. A family in which the mother, father, and children live together is known as a nuclear family. A family that has the mother, father, children, grandparents, uncle, aunt, and cousins living together is known as a joint family. There are families that have either the mother or the father who brings up the children. Such families are known as single parent families. Next is different members of a family. The members of a family are related to each other. Your father and mother are your parents. Your brothers and sisters are your siblings. The parents of your mother or father are your grandparents. Your father's or mother's brother is your uncle. Your father's or mother's sister is your aunt. Your uncle and aunt's children are your cousins. Now children, first is family. Children, what is a family? A family is a group of people living together. We all live in a family. Family is important unit of society. Children, it holds great importance in social life. Family is the first school where child learns. Okay children, father and mother live with their children in family. Father and mother are the parents. Now see children, people living together as a unit or a group forms a family. People living together by a relation to each other form a family. Okay children, means when a group of people is living in one family, in one home, the people who is living over there has a relation to each other. Therefore children, it forms a family. Okay? See children, no one can get into a home, right? And can live together. Right children? So children, therefore the people who are living in a group or living in one home connected to each other and they have a special bonding. Children, they have relation to each other, therefore it is called a family. So children, you have your mother, father, brother, sister at home, right? So children, family is a group of people who are related to one another, like parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts and children. Now see children, next is different types of families. Children, we have two types of families. We have two types of families. One is nuclear family and other one is joint family. First is children, nuclear family. We have two types of family. First is nuclear family. Spelling of nuclear, N-U-C-L-E-A-R. Nuclear family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Nuclear family and other one is joint family. Spelling of joint family, J-O-I-N-T. Joint, F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family, joint family. So children, we have two types of families. They are nuclear family and joint family. Now children, let us learn about each family in detail. Children, look at this picture. This is nuclear family, children. This is nuclear family. Spelling of nuclear: N-U-C-L-E-A-R, nuclear. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Nuclear family. Children, first is nuclear family. Now see children, family can be big or small. Now what is nuclear family? A family in which the mother, father and children live together is known as a small or nuclear family. Okay children, a family in which only a mother, father and children live together is known as small or nuclear family. Okay children. Now children, next is joint family. Children, look at this picture. This is joint family, children. This is joint family. Okay, spelling of joint family: J-O-I-N-T, joint. Family: F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Joint family. Children, next is joint family. Now children, what is joint family? A family in which grandparents, parents, your brother, sister, uncle, aunts and their children live together is called a big or joint family. Okay children, the family in which grandparents, parents, your brother, sister, uncle, aunts and your cousins live together in the same house is called big or joint family. Now children, next is single parent family. Spelling of single parent family: S-I-N-G-L-E, single parent. P-A-R-E-N-T, parent. Family: F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Single parent family. Children, look at this picture. This is a single parent family. Spelling of single parent family: S-I-N-G-L-E, single. P-A-R-E-N-T, parent. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Single parent family. Now children, what is single parent family? Children, there are families that have either the mother or the father who brings up the children. Such families are known as a single parent family. So children, there are families that have either the mother or the father in the family. Okay, either mother is there or either father is there in the family who brings up and or raised up the children. Such families are known as single parent families. Okay children. Children, next is different members of a family. Okay children, now children, the members of a family are related to each other. They have a special relation with each other. Okay children, so children, first is our mothers and father. They are our parents. Okay children, so your father and mother are your parents. Children, next is your brothers and sisters are your siblings. Okay, your own real brothers and sisters are your siblings. Okay children. Children, next is your parents of your mother or father are your grandparents. So children, father's father is called grandfather. Your father's mother is called your grandmother. Same as your mother's father is called your grandfather and your mother's mother is called your grandmother. Okay children. Now children, next is your father's or mother's brother is your uncle. Your father's or mother's brother is your uncle and father's or mother's sister is your aunt. Okay? And children, even your uncle's wife is also called an aunt. Children, next is your uncle and aunt's children are your cousins. Okay, your uncles and aunts children are your cousins. And children, your father's parents are your paternal grandparents and your mother parents are your maternal grandparents. Okay children, your father parents are your paternal grandparents and your mother's parents are your maternal grandparents. Okay children.
Now children, take out your EVS Fair notebook. Children, first here you will mention your name, then here you will mention your class and section. Here you will write fifth assignment in capital. Now come to the next line children. In next line here you will mention the date. Here you will write the lesson 3 in capitals and here you will write H.W. Children, don't forget to mention your name, class, section and assignment number on each assignment. Okay children? Now children, come to the next line. In next line you will write answer the following questions. Full stop. Okay children? Now come to the next line. In next line you will write QUE.1. Question number 1. Name 2 types of family. Full stop. You have to write the name of 2 types of family. Okay children? In next line you will write ANS.1. Answer number 1. The 2 types of family are dash. A. Nuclear family. B. Joint family. Done children? Now come to the next line. In next line you will write QUE.2. Question number 2. What is a small family? Question mark. In next line children you will write ANS.2. Answer number 2. A family in which the mother, father and children live together is called small family. Full stop. Done children? Now come to the next line. In next line you will write QUE.3. Question number 3. Who are grandparents? Question mark. Who are grandparents children? Parent of our parents are grandparents. Okay. In next line you will write ANS.3. Answer number 3. Parents of our parents are grandparents. Full stop. Done children? Children, you have to do the same work as I have done in the EVS Sphere notebook. Okay children?
So children, in this video we have learned about family, different types of families and different members of a family. Okay children, we'll see you in next video. Till then take care, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.